Welcome back to Two Legit Reviews, where we check out real products and give you our honest take. Today we're looking at the Nefaracy 2-burner electric cooktop. It's a 12-inch 2000-watt cooktop that plugs right into a standard 110 outlet, $129.99 on Amazon. Just a heads up, product links in this video are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission at zero cost to you. So who's this for? If you're in a small apartment, a dorm, an RV, or you just need an extra burner for holiday cooking, this is exactly the kind of thing that solves a real problem. And at under 130 bucks, it's not going to break the bank. Let's talk specs. This cooktop runs on a standard 110-volt outlet, no electrician needed. Total power is 2000 watts, split between a 1400-watt main burner and a 600-watt auxiliary. You get 9 heating levels from P1 through P9, and the whole thing sits on a black ceramic glass surface that looks clean and modern. One thing I really like here, knob controls instead of touch panels. Touch panels can be finicky, especially with wet hands or when you're in a rush. These knobs are smooth, responsive, and anyone can use them. Great for busy cooks, seniors, anyone who just wants to turn a dial and get cooking. Installation is flexible too. You can use it right on the countertop with the included rubber feet, or drop it into your counter for a built-in look. And it works with literally every type of cookware: cast iron, stainless steel, glass, ceramic, copper, aluminum. You don't need to buy special pots. The 9 heating levels give you real precision. P1 and P2 are perfect for simmering sauces or melting butter. P3 through P5 handle your everyday cooking, eggs, pancakes, sautéing vegetables. And P6 through P9 crank it, up for boiling water fast or searing a steak. The main burner at 1400 watts gets hot quick. This cooktop sits at 4.6 stars with 46 reviews on Amazon. And here's the impressive part, 0 one-star reviews. Reviewers love the compact size, say it heats up fast, and multiple people mentioned using it for outdoor cooking to keep the kitchen cool. Several called it perfect for apartments and RVs. Let's be honest about the limitations. With only 46 reviews, this is still a relatively new product, so long-term durability is a question mark. The 600-watt auxiliary burner is really just for warming. Don't expect to cook a full meal on it. This is radiant heat, not induction, so it's not as fast or energy efficient. And there's no built-in timer. On the safety side, there's a residual heat indicator that warns you when the surface is still hot. The ceramic glass surface cools down faster than traditional coil burners, and they include a scraper for cleaning off stubborn residue. Basic but important features done right. At $129.99, this lands right in the sweet spot. Portable induction cooktops run about the same price but require magnetic cookware. A 4 built-in cooktop install costs $300 to $800 plus an electrician. This gives you a real cooking surface that just plugs in. No special pots, no electrician, no hassle. Final verdict? This one's legit. It solves a real problem, needing extra cooking capacity without rewiring your kitchen or buying induction-specific cookware. 0 one-star reviews, 4.6 stars, and a price that makes sense. The only caveat is it's a newer product with fewer reviews, so we'll see how it holds up long term. But based on what we see right now, we'd recommend it. Thanks for watching Two Legit Reviews. If this was helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tell us in the comments what product you want us to review next. Product links are in the description. See you next time.